Hey guys, I have a question for you. This is a question about my Yaesu FT DX1200. You can see this radio is set at channel 13, right? I have the modification done to it, the Mars mod, and you can see right here, if I turn this and bring it up the wattage, that's just to create the meter to show us the wattage, okay? And I have it at 100. Now, I have connected in line with this radio, and I'm going to turn the volume down right now. Okay. Turn the volume down. I have connected to a MFGA 962C 1.5 kilowatt antenna tuner. Okay, when I press my microphone here, you can see, okay, the power. Okay, so it's showing right here, so that's 50, let's say, about 60 watts it's showing. Okay, if I take this and turn this into my dummy load, okay, I've got a dummy load, and I do it again, I'm getting about the same thing. Oh, maybe 70 almost. Okay, and on the radio, of course, it shows up 100 watts keynote. My question is, this radio, I had modified it. I want to know, am I really getting that kind of output? According to this, my match is 1-to-1 on my antenna, and I did the Mars mod, which take jumper 5 and you solder it. So the radio works and everything, you know, but according to that, it's saying I'm putting out a hell of a lot more than 25 watts. So anybody that's a expert on this, I'd like to know, am I really putting out, you know, like it says? Okay, so it's 100 watts. Let me know. Thanks a lot. Let's see if you've had checked any mods you've done with your radio, and it's on AM, and that's channel 13. Thanks a lot, guys.